Hello, families of Ascend. I'm Lisa Shugart, the new assistant principal, and I'm having this video so that we can share some things about online safety. Social media is a tool that has been really helpful for people to stay connected during this time. It's also something that's been used, unfortunately, for bullying and some other unsafe behaviors. And navigating the balance of allowing students to have some privacy and then also keeping them safe can be tricky. And so knowing what media children are using and the safety options are important steps. We wanted to offer and share some resources with you to support your child. So here, I'm just going to walk through some resources that you can then explore on your own. So here are some tips how to avoid social media drama around setting boundaries, how to take a time out from social media, letting kids know you're always there for them, and then also how to use social media as a tool to talk about drama. And then getting to know what social media your child might use. 3 that we see and hear about kids using most often are Instagram, Discord, and Snapchat. So if you want to learn more, you can click here, and there's an article with videos about different parental controls. For example, Discord doesn't have parental controls. You can also read about how to do different safety settings so that your child's information isn't shared with everyone on the internet, and you can check that out there. If there are issues coming up online, please reach out to us. There's also a form here that you can complete in order to let us know about anything that's going on so we can partner. We are here as partners, and thank you for all you do. We are sending lots of love and gratitude to you now and always. Thank you.